Another new and exclusive product from Real Deals for You. This 18V subcompact combi drill and impact driver twin pack with two 5Ah lithium-ion XR batteries, XR multi-voltage charger and T-stack storage box plus a 3-year warranty from DeWalt is an excellent choice at a great price. The combi drill is a 2-speed and variable speed on the trigger, forward and reverse, and a maximum torque of 65 Newton meters. Plus up to an impressive 28,050 blows per minute hammer action. The impact driver has a maximum torque of 190 Newton meters, again with forward and reverse and variable speed on the trigger. It uses 1/4-inch hex drive bits. The XR batteries supplied are backwardly compatible with all DeWalt 18V machines, meaning you could use them with other DeWalt power tools you already own.